Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm your Wiggly Betty. Today we are gonna prepare some choco oats, which can be a delicious breakfast and a wonderful dessert. So let's get started. So the ingredients are 2.5 cups of milk, 1 cup of oats and half cup of sugar, butter, raisins, dark chocolate. Pour in 2.5 cup of milk and half cup of water. When the milk starts simmering, add in sugar as much as you like. Let's add in the oats. Reduce the flame and let the oats get cooked. Don't forget to stir in between. Now let's add some crushed cardamom. I'm using dark chocolate. You can either use milk chocolate or our dairy milk bar. Just look at how it's melting. The flame is still on low. Keep stirring. Add in crushed cashews. This is almost done. Now let's roast some raisins in butter. I'm absolutely sure that you guys are going to love this. The smell is irresistible. This will be an amazing dessert if you add in some dates, some crushed biscuits, some toasted bread pieces. So if you guys love this video, please be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye!